Fellow developer, we get it. Deployments can be overwhelming. Indeed, navigating this uncharted ocean is challenging, leaving little room to engage in what you're good at. But fret not. We have a wholesome solution that will steer you in the right direction. Introducing Cycleops, a deployment automation tool designed to speed up development cycles and foster team collaboration. Now, you can design, configure, and run your application's deployment workflow to any environment within minutes. This way, you can follow a no-code approach, achieve faster software delivery with minimal human errors, and have the flexibility to execute the process as many times as necessary at a click of a button. Now, running and scaling your deployments can happen lightning fast, speeding up time to market. Are you ready to automate your deployment workflows? Start today for free and tap into the full potential of Cycleops.